Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to continue our C programming tutorial series. This video is second part of the series. So let's start the video. In this video, we are going to learn about operators in C. Now, what is operator? An operator is a symbol that operates on a value or a variable. For example, plus is an operator to perform addition. In this following example, 3 and 2 are operands and plus is an operator. C has a wide range of operators to perform various operations. Types of operators. There are types of operators as follows. First one is arithmetic operators, second one is relational operators, third one is logical operators, fourth one is bitwise operators, and fifth one is assignment operators. Arithmetic operators. An arithmetic operator performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on numerical values such as integers, floats, etc. In this following chart, we will understand the symbol and the task performed by the symbol. First one is plus. Plus operator is used to perform addition task. Second one is minus. Minus operators is used to perform subtraction. Third one is multiplication, or you can say asterisk. This is used to perform multiplication. Next is division. This operator is used to perform division. And last one is modulo division. This operator is used to modulo division. It returns remainder after division. Now we will see some of examples. First one is plus. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. Now in this example, 2 and 6 are operands and plus is operator. Second one is 8 minus 6. 8 and 6 are operands and minus is operator. Third one is asterisk or multiplication. 5 and 4 are operands and asterisk or multiplication is a operator. Fourth one is division. 15 and 2 are operands and division symbol is a operator. Modulo division. 15 and 2 are operands and modulo division symbol is a operator. Increment and decrement operator. C programming has two operators, increment and decrement, to change the value of operand by 1. Increment increases the value by 1, whereas decrement decreases the value by 1. These two operators are unary operators, meaning they only operate on a single operand. For example, if we have a is equals to 5 and we increment it like a plus plus, then value of a becomes 6. Or we decrement it like a minus minus, then value of a becomes 4. Relational operator. A relational operator checks the relation between two operands. If the relation is true, it returns 1. If the relation is false, it returns 0. Relational operators are used to decision making and loops such as if else, for loop, do while loop. Relational operators as follows: equals to, greater than, less than, not equals to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Now we will see examples of relational operators. 5 is equals to 3. This statement checks that 5 is equals to 3 or not. 5 greater than 3. This statement checks that 5 is greater than 3 or not. 5 is less than 3. This statement checks that 5 is less than 3 or not. 5 not equals to 3. This statement checks that both the numbers are not same. 5 greater than or equal to 3. This statement checks that 5 is greater than or equal to that of 3. 5 is less than or equals to 3. This statement checks that 5 is less than or equals to that of 3. Logical operators. An expression containing logical operator returns either 0 or 1 depending upon whether expression results are true or false. Following chart will help us to understand operator and operator meaning. First one is AND. Logical AND, true only if all operands are true. Second one is OR. Logical OR, true only if either one operand is true. Last one is NOT. Logical NOT, true only if the operand is 0. Logical operators are commonly used in decision making in C programming. Example of a logical operators. If C is equals to 5 and D is equals to 2, then expression C is equals to 5 and D is less than 5 equals to 0. If C is equals to 5 and D is equals to 2, then expression C is equals to 5 or D is less than 5 equals to 1. If C is equals to 5, then expression not equals to C is equals to 5 equals to 0. Bitwise operators. During computation, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are converted to bit level, which makes processing faster and saves power. Following chart will help us to understand operators and their meaning. AND, bitwise AND, OR, bitwise OR, XOR, bitwise exclusive OR, shift left, shift right. Bitwise operators are used in C programming to perform bit level operations. Assignment operator. An assignment operator is used to assigning a value to a variable. The most common assignment operator is equals to. The following chart will help us to find the use of a operator. Equals to, plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, divide equal, modulo division equal. Example, A equals to B, A plus equals to B, A minus equals to B, A multiply equals to B, A divided by equals to B, A modulo division equals to B. These type of operators are also called as shorthand operators, where plus equals to is same as A equals to A plus B. That is it for today, guys. This video is an explanation video. In the next video we are going to implement all the operators in actual C program. To get the notification of upcoming videos, make sure to do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon given down below. If you enjoyed the video, then like the video and share with your friends. If you have any questions, then comment down below. We will reply to that question. If you haven't watched the first part of the C programming tutorial series, link is given in the description. Go check it out. All other links are given in the description down below. So stay tuned and do subscribe.